Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is October 28, 2021. We'll do a quick market prep for tomorrow, October 29, 2021. We'll look at quick market update, spot some good trends with the ETFs here, and look at the beaten down stocks we can buy at this time. Look at trends to benefit from. We'll also look at top stocks, high short ratio stocks, and few selected sectors, and look at the best way to grow your portfolio safely with rule of 40, positive net margin, and low debt. So with that, let's get started here. Go to Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade. As you look through the futures here, futures market is pointing to a lower opening here. Today we had a great day. Now it's a little bit down tick in the futures market here with the S&P 500. And as you look through Nasdaq here, same story here. After a great day, we had a down tick here. Nasdaq is also pointing to lower opening, around 106 points lower right now. And we got Dow Jones Industrial Average again down here about 40 points or so. And then we got Russell 2000 also pointing to a downward opening. Mainly because we had bad news from both Apple as well as Amazon.com. Both missed their estimates here. That's why these markets are coming down, because these two are in many of the major indices, and that can take down the indices a little bit. So with that, let's jump in here and look at the bond market here and see what bonds are telling. Bonds are bigger than stock market here. That's why we got to look at bond market and understand what's going on here. Bonds are going higher, as you can see here. And as you look at interest rates, they're also going high. That's a little bit bad news for stock market. Market can come down because of this phenomenon here. And as you look through crude oil here, crude oil is still rocket ship, as you can see here. A little bit down tick here, but I think it's now it's positive. We got to be careful with crude oil, be very selective, and buy quality stocks here. And gold, as you look through here, gold is a little bit weak here. We can look at some good gold stocks and precious metal stocks and take it from there. So with that, we'll go back to our slide here and look at a quick update here. Today we had a fantastic day. As you can see, Dow Jones Industrial Average went up nicely. Nasdaq also went up very nicely, 1.39% higher, and S&P 500 also went up almost one point here. And futures are pointing to lower opening, so mainly because of Apple and Amazon.com. So with that, as you can see here, Facebook changes the name to Meta. I think they want to go big into augmented reality. That makes sense. Facebook is trying to become bigger than messaging application. And we got here Apple quarterly sales miss for the first time since 2018. They have supply chain constraints here. Revenue miss here with the iPhone, as well as wearables sales grew lower. So that's why it dropped big time here. We have to watch this. It may be okay to slowly start buying. Apple is a great stock. It's good to buy at these opportunities and go from there. And then we got Atlassian here. We got Amazon.com also down big here, as you can see here. Drops nearly 50% in the earnings. So it's also a good opportunity here. We can slowly start buying some Amazon also here and take it from there. And we got Atlassian. They did very well here. Ticker symbol TEAM. We don't buy at the top here. Let's wait a little bit and buy at the right time. Starbucks, on the other hand, stock falls here. Their sales growth fails to meet expectations. We could slowly start getting into Starbucks here and take it from there. And we got Shopify, HPE, even MasterCard. They all did well here. MasterCard and Visa, they're good to buy here. Even other companies like DFS as well as Capital One. And we got Twilio, stock tumbled big time here, dives 13%. It may be okay to slowly start buying Twilio here. And ServiceNow also slips here, again one of the great stock here. We can slowly start buying these names and take it from there. Now let's go into ETFs and see how ETFs are doing here. And with that, let's jump in here and look at ETFs. So with that, let's look through here. We got major averages here. We got SPY. It's the mother of all ETFs as you can think of. Doing great, up 1%. All the indices, as you can see here, all the ETFs are up today nicely. Some are better than the others, but overall all the ETFs went higher, as you can see here. And one thing I noticed, really, I don't look at all these every day, but I pay very close attention to RSI levels. As you see here, EEM little bit lower, RSI down 11%. There are some opportunity to buy here. And then you got IWM, small cap stocks here. There is an opportunity here. RSI is 49, good to buy. As you scan through, we got XLC here. Think about Facebook or Meta and Snapchat and Twitter. It's good to buy some of those stocks here. XLC down. And then as you scan through here, we got XME, precious metals are down here. You could buy some here. And we also have XRT, which is down. You could buy some retail stock here and take it from there. So with that, what we'll do is we'll look at the major trends here and see what are the trends. So with that, what we'll do is we'll turn this back on here and look at the major trends. All right, so let's look at just major trends and see how we can benefit from the major trends here. From a major trend perspective, let's also sort this by volume. That should do it. As you look through here, we got volume, which is ICLN, global clean energy here. Nice volume, as you can see here. Stock is up nicely here. ETF is up nicely. We should look at smart clean energy stocks here. Smart money is flowing in here, and a lot of the millennials want to buy clean energy, which makes more sense. We should probably wait for a little pullback here. RSI is 71, little high for me at these levels. And then as we look through here, we got crypto here, both Ethereum as well as Bitcoin here doing nicely. We should wait for a little pullback here and buy these names here. And then we got solar here doing great, as you can see here. As we scan through, we got opportunities in SMH, semiconductors, 56 right now we could still buy. And we got opportunities in human genomics here and biotechnology, both have low RSI here. So even if today, today they have gone up, but still we got opportunity to buy with the low RSI here. And then you got cannabis here with MJ. Cannabis is great to buy at these levels. Today it went up a little bit to the broader market, but RSI is very low here. Then we could look at ARK FinTech here. FinTech is also good to buy at these levels, with all the credit card companies taking a little bit beating here. Then we got space here. Space is a good one to buy here. Low RSI, you could accumulate some space names here. Then as you scan through, we got again space is down. And we got artificial intelligence, which is also a little bit down here, and social media down big here. Good look at those names here and start buying slowly. Now what we'll do is we'll look at stock market here and look at the stock market action today and take it from there. So from a stock market perspective, these are all the stocks that have gone down big time in the last 5 days. Look at CRTX here. Stock is down 75% in 5 days. Now it's trying to go up here. I think at this point it's safe to buy CRTX. It's showing some conviction here on the higher side. Tomorrow, if there's a little bit down day, you could scoop up some CRTX and go from there. There is no sales here. We are still a contrarian here. There is no sales or sales growth here, but it's a good one to buy slowly. Then as you scan through here, you got a few more here. OCUL, Ocular, also trying to turn around. You could slowly buy this one too. And we got a few more turnaround stories like Snap. Snap is telling us, hey, enough is enough. I want to go higher. That's why Snap is higher after a couple down days here. And same story, the Pinterest. Look here, it's also trying to go higher here. And we got a few more. Twilio is down big time, as you can see here, a good one to buy at these levels here. And we got a few more as we scan through here. And what we'll do now is we'll increase the volume here. Let's say we want to look at only volume greater than 1 million shares traded. That could be a good one to look at, so that way we can get rid of some weak links here. There you go. I think that should do it. Now we'll get a little more stronger candidates here. As you can scan through here, we got CRTX, Snap. We talked about this already. Twilio, again a good one here. Then as you scan through, we got a few more. KC, Kingsoft, again a good play here. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin. And we got a few more. ATER. After a lot of down days, finally ATER is trying to come back here. I think this is a good one to buy at these levels and accumulate slowly. And then we got your CEI, again trying to turn around here and try to go higher. ALNY got clobbered, as you can see here. I love this company here. This is a good one to buy and take advantage of this downturn here. Autohome is also trying to turn around, as you can see here. It's a good one. We could buy some Autohome here. As you look through here, Proto Labs, one of my favorite stock here, still down big time. This one could be a good one to slowly accumulate. It's a 3D printing play. It used to be Wall Street darling a while ago. Now it's down big time. And then you got Upwork here, as you see here, down 10%. This used to go higher every day a couple of weeks ago. Now it's coming down here. RSI is, let's see here, RSI is 52. You could slowly start buying some Upwork here and take it from there. And you got Tiger. Ouch, Tiger is down big time here. I think it's a good to accumulate Tiger slowly and take it from there. And you got FinTech, Shift4 is down big time. Good to buy some FinTech here, and also good to buy Twitter. Twitter is down big time, as you can see here, 17% in last 5 days. And Vex.com, it will help you to build your website here, down big, as you can see here. RSI is 49. Good to buy some Vex also here and take it from there. And you got DD here. This is a good one. You could buy, low dollar stock DD here. Uber of China. As you can see, it's trying to turn around. It's a good to catch right now and buy. And you got GoTo. This is also trying to turn around. And it's good to buy some GoTo and accumulate slowly. Just $3 stock. This could double in maybe month or two. As you look through here, we've got a few more here. We got BBig, Ribbon, and so on and so forth. And even BigCommerce is a good one here. Down big time, trying to turn around, as you can see here. And we got a few more like Agora. This has been going down for a long time here. We can slowly accumulate here and take it from there. I love Robinhood at these levels here. Robinhood is trying to turn around. Kathy Wood is also buying some Robinhood here. It's good to accumulate this one slowly. And then you got Intel. Intel is trying to turn around, as you can see here. Good to buy some Intel. Completely sold out. RSI 28, lowest I've seen in many days. And then we got a few more here. You could look through here. What we'll do now is we'll take it a notch higher and look at only companies with a nice sales growth and take it from there. So let's look at rule of 40 here and look at only companies with nice sales growth and low RSI. So you could buy these companies. These are great companies like Snap, Pinterest, BigCommerce, all great companies, nice sales growth, nice gross margin. You could buy these companies into this weakness and take it from there. I love companies like Upwork, great one here. ATER, great one, turning around right now, as you can see here. And we got a few more with the NovoCure, great one here. And we got GoTo and so on and so forth. All these companies work here. You could buy the stock here and take it from there. Jumia is one of my favorite, trying to turn around. As you can see here, it's good to buy Jumia. It's again a e-commerce play in Africa. As we look through, we got few more here. What we'll do is we'll take it a notch higher and look at the stocks with net margin positive here. Those are the great stocks making money right now. So let's say net margin greater than 0 here. There you go. So here now we get even stronger candidates. As you can see here, all these stocks work here. Pinterest, Pico, Twitter, Tiger, all these work here. Look at EDU, little known Chinese stock here, online education. This could double in a couple of months here. Right now it's down big time. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin. Companies making money. As you look through, we got a few more here. Solar wind, I think today they dropped big time. This one is good to buy at these levels here. This is a very controversial stock. Caused some issues with the cyber security, as you know. But at these levels, it could be good to buy slowly. And we got a few more here. One of my favorite is FIS here. PII, Polaris also works here. And we got a few more as you can scan through here. Visa down, good to buy at these levels. BT trying to turn around here. And we got a few more as we scan through here. What we'll do is we'll take it a notch higher now and look at low debtors. So these are the good ones to buy here. Let's say debt ratio less than say 0.6 here. You will even get better candidates now. So these are the good stocks. They don't have too much debt, as you can see here. These are the good ones you can buy at these levels and hold it for a long time. Look at the beaten down names like Tiger here. It's not catching any. It's still low, as you can see here. You could slowly buy. Pinterest is trying to turn around. You could buy and take it from there. Same story with the Intel. Intel is trying to turn around here. You could buy some Intel and hold it for a while. As you look through, we got a few more names. Grow Generation, one of my favorite here, trying to turn around, as you can see here. PAGS, same story. Riot Blockchain, great stock here. You could buy that one too. And we got a few more as you can scan through here. Dynatrace, after dropping big time yesterday, now it's trying to recover nicely. That's a good one here. Alibaba works here. China is back here. Alibaba is showing some progress here. And we got a few more as you can scan through here. Now what we'll do is we'll look at the high short ratio stocks here and see how we can make profit from these high short ratio stocks. Let's turn off these two filters here, and also let's turn off this filter with the high rule of 40 here and look at high short ratio stocks here and take it from there. All right, so let's say largest to smallest here. So these are the high short ratio stocks. We still have our volume filter on. These are all the stocks with nice 1 million plus volume. So these are liquid stocks, as you can think of. So let's start with here highest short ratio here, ATER still. It's right now it's having a short squeeze, as you can see here. It's good to buy at these levels. I mean, if you already own it, like I have a lot of these ATER at this time, I'll be slowly taking some profit. I have no hurry at all. I'll let it go higher, then we'll slowly take profit. GoTo also went higher, as you can see here, high short ratio. This is also slowly participating in the short squeeze. On the other hand, this one here, AGC, is already in a short squeeze scenario here, as you can see, 14% 5 days, 18% 10 days, 1 month 21%. Today it dropped. It might have some more upside here, but RSI is 81. I will not be buying at these levels. I want the RSI to be low. Then as you scan through, we got Workhorse here. Workhorse could be, as you can see here, it's turning around right now. Could be a good one to buy. Still low RSI. And we got PBTS here. Nice upswing, as you can see here. This is already in a short squeeze at these levels here. Then you got few more here. Oof here, trying to turn around as you can see here, and same story with view. Now what we'll do is we'll turn it a notch higher and look at the stocks with the low RSI. To buy high short ratio stocks, we want to make sure RSI is lower. Let's say RSI less than say 51 here, and take it from there. So these are the ones you could buy here at these levels here. Let's also sort this by short ratio one last time again here. There you go. We got Petrobras here. There is no short ratio null here. But look at ATER, GoTo, Workhorse, all these work here. And you could also look at the sales here, sales growth here. Some of these stocks have got nice sales growth like Blink. What we'll do now is we'll look at this filter here and look at rule of 40 and low RSI. So this will give us even stronger candidates here. These stocks you could buy, because there is a nice sales growth, nice gross margin. I love stocks like, Blink here, good one. GoTo works here. I like even next D here and XTD. Beyond Meat is a good one. Stock is trying to turn around right now here. You got Tiger, a good one. BTBT works here. iRobot, a great one here. Stock is trying to turn around as you can see here. Keep watching the 1 day, 5 day. If you see a turnaround, it's a good one to buy. And if it's already gone higher, indicated by yellow here, then wait a little bit, no hurry here. You could wait a little more and take it from there. And now what we'll do is we'll look at positive net margin companies. These companies you could buy, they make money, they are not money losers. Let's say greater than 0 here. You will get nice companies with nice, positive net margin here. These are even stronger candidates. You could buy a company like VMware, which is a great stock, still going down, but 10 days there is a positive news here. And IIVI, one of my favorite. Right blockchain also works. You could look at these names here, and given there's a high short ratio, low RSI, companies making money, these are stronger candidates. Now what we'll do is we'll avoid the stocks with low debt here, high debt here. Let's say debt to equity less than 0.6. You'll even get stronger candidates here. We'll be removing some weak links here and taking it from there. So as you scan through here, these are the strong candidates. Tiger, BTBT, iRobot, and so on and so forth. Keep watching sales growth here, nice sales growth, and also keep watching what insiders and institutions are doing. BTBT, nice institution buy here. I think it's a good one to buy. And we got Alto here. Alto also nice insider buy. We got DPW, again nice insider buy. You could look at those names here and take it from there. So as we scan through here, we got a few more here. BCO, nice insider buy here and low RSI. And as we look through here, we got short is also not too much here. Short is dropping off right now. So with that, that's what we'll do is now we'll remove these filters here and look at a few more criterias and go from there. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll look at few sectors. As we look through here, we noticed social media down big time. We can look at social media and see if it's worth buying any social media stocks. With that, let's go here to the trend here and say we want all the social media stocks, and let's look at those. All right, so these are the social media stocks with the volume greater than 1 million shares traded. As you can see here, we got Match. Right now RSI is 49, good to buy. Snap, Twitter, Pinterest, all these work here. Nice volume greater than 1 million shares traded. And as you see here, all of these are down in the last 5 days. And Match and Twitter are down to today also. You could buy these stocks here and take it from there. And now what we'll do is we'll look at a couple more things. I think we also noticed a few areas. Precious metals are down. Let's look at precious metals and see if we can buy some precious metal stocks here. So with that, let me go back here and look at the trend. Let's turn this off here and take it from there. All right, so let's go to precious metal here. We can go here to our industry and look at um, precious metals and take it from there. Actually, let's do one thing. Let's go to sector here, and in the sectors, let's go to basic materials, and we could look at just gold and silver to begin with, and take it from there. All right, so gold we got. I think some of these are not growth type names, so we can take off our growth filter here. So we'll get a few more names here and take it from there. There you go. So here you get all these gold names here. CD is one of my favorite. As right now RSI is very low here, and we got SPSW here, also low RSI. Stock is trying to turn around here. Those are the good ones to look at. And we have a few more with nice quarterly growth, as you can see here, like AUY is a good one here. Nice sales growth, nice gross margin, as you can see here. And as you scan through, we got a few more which are good here. Even gold, a barric gold is a good one here. You could buy this safely. KGC also works here, and KL is also a good one here. You could buy these gold names here. It's in a downturn right now. And also let's look at a few more here and take it from there. So what I will do now is I will turn this off here. Let's look at a few sectors and take it from there. Let me turn this off here. All right. All right. So what we'll do is we'll look at small cap stocks to begin with, and then we'll go from there. Let's first focus on the small caps. Let's say we want to look at just the macro and nano as well as small. So these are really small cap stocks. We can profit from these small cap stocks nicely. I love trading these small cap stocks because they give you outsized returns. And right now we got all small cap stocks with the nice basically all small cap stocks. We'll turn on here rule of 40 with the low RSI. These are the stronger candidates, growth candidates. So with that, let's jump in here. These are all the small cap stocks, as you can see here, low stock prices. And if your portfolio does not support these big dollar values, you could trade these safely here. Low, smaller value, as you can see here, like ATER, GoTo, and so on and so forth. Keep watching the sales growth and gross margin here. Nice sales growth, gross margin, and keep watching RSI levels. Low RSI, you could buy at these levels and take it from there. So I would recommend a few of these stocks here. GoTo is a good one. Tiger is good here at these levels. You could buy some Tiger. You could look at buying some real here, trying to turn around nicely. I would probably wait a little bit on real. It's going up off late. Look at stock like Sunworks. This also works here. And you could look at HiMax, which is also trying to go higher here. And even Pure WW also works here. And you could look at some of these names, buy slowly and take it from there. And now what we'll do is let's look at the mid cap stocks here and see what we can buy from mid cap names. So let's turn this off here and only look at mid cap and take it from there. There you go. So from a mid-cap stock perspective, we got Smile Direct, Beyond Meat, iRobot, Shift4 is one of my favorite here. And we got API, CP, and so on and so forth. I like Ride Blockchain also here. IIVI is another good one here. NVTA is a good one. Solar Winds is a contrarian play. You could buy at these levels and take it from there. And we got few more here. Stitch Fix, as you can see, our high short ratio. You could buy this one also, and few more as you can see here. So what we'll do is now we'll look at mid cap stock with nice positive net margin here. These are stronger candidates. There you go. So here now you even get better candidates here. You could buy this and sock it away. Nice ones. Let's also remove these high debtors. We want low debtors. Let's say less than 0.6 here. You get nice low debt candidates here. These you can sock it away for a while here. Right now these stocks are down, witnessed by low RSI here. You could buy some and sock it away. Great stocks here. iRobot, Ride Blockchain, IIVI, so on and so forth. So now what we'll do is we'll look at only the large cap stocks and see what we can buy here. Let me turn this off here and just say large cap stocks here. We should look at nice growth stocks here, large cap stocks which are beaten. Right now some of these have gone up, as you can see here. Still low RSI. You could still buy these names here. I like stocks like PAG's a good one. IIVI is a good one here. Let's quickly look at your capitalization and make sure you got large cap. Looks like we got both mid and large. Let's turn off the mid here and look at just large cap stocks. As you can see here, now we got just large cap stocks. I like PAG here, which is a good one. BioMarin also great one here. After dropping big time, they're recovering, as you can see here. And we got Checkpoint. Not sure why this is down here. I think it's good to buy some Checkpoint. Good steady eddy type stock here. Cerner, a great one. You could buy this one also. Zoom Video, good one here. Trying to turn around slowly. And you could buy some of these names like Tiro, Roku, and so on and so forth. Pinterest is one of my favorite here. Dr. Horton also works here, home builder, and we got a few more you could look at these levels here. So with that, what we'll do now is we'll look at mega cap stocks. These are large, $250+ billion stocks here, and see what we can buy at these levels. So from a mega cap stock perspective, these are beaten down stocks here with a nice sales growth, nice gross margin, and low RSI. I would buy stocks like Alibaba, Facebook, PayPal also works here, Pfizer for you dividend folks here, and we got a few more like DHR, which is Danaher, J&J, TSM, all with the low RSI levels here. You could buy them slowly and sock it away. So with that, what we'll do one last segment is we'll look at stocks with the high IV percentile, where we can sell some put options and make some money that way. So with that, let me turn this back on here, and let's also remove this mega cap filter here. Let's get all the names here, and let's only look at let's see here. We'll remove some filters. I think we need rule of 40 filter is a good one to have, or let's remove the rule of 40 here, and let's look at just low RSI candidates and take it from there. We want RSI to be less than 50 here, or let's say 51 here, and we want high IV percentile. Let's sort this by high IV percentile. There you go. So now you can see here, keep watching the IV percentile as this comes up here. We should see the top high IV percentile in the top here. We got ATUS, VEDL, GRTX, and so on and so forth. Typically when I sell put options, I want price to be a little higher, so that way I can make some money off of a premium here. Let's say price greater than $30. Now you'll get nice stocks here. You could sell some put options here with the high IV percentile. As you can see here, you could make some nice money with these stocks here. Look at Zendesk, KLIC, FIS, and so on and so forth. Even Stoneco works here. High IV percentile, low RSI, ideal candidate to sell some put options here. Many of these stocks have got nice sales growth and nice gross margin. That works here. As you look through here, great stocks to sell some put options. Now we are getting a little bit lower RSI, but still, lower IV percentile. But anytime IV percentile is above, say, 45 or so, you could still sell some put option, make some money. Great stocks like AbbVie, I like to sell put options on this one too. IIVI, Cerner, NovoCure, and so on and so forth. We got a few more as you can scan through here. All these are great stocks. You could sell some put options here and make some money off of the premium. So with that, we'll wrap it up here and go from there. So with that,